Hello students, very good morning to all of you. So today I am with the solution of this question. So first of all we have a need to know about what is the statement is telling 2.4 gram of pure magnesium with atomic mass 24 is dropped in 100 ml of 1 molar of HCl. Which of following statement is wrong? So okay, so what are given? Mass of magnesium, okay, with atomic mass this one, and 100 ml of 1 m HCl. That means 100 ml 1 m means that is 1 mole divided by 1000 ml of solution. So 1000 ml equal to 1 mole of, okay, and 100 ml will equal to 0.1 mole. Okay, so this is the concentration of HCl is given 100 ml equivalent to 0.1 mole, and 2.4 gram we can take 24 gram is equal to 1 mole. So 2.4 gram will be equal to, so 2.4 gram will be equal to, that is 0.1 mole of magnesium. So options are given and correct option will be this one. Second one will be the correct option. Is actually asking which statement is wrong. Okay, so let me see what is the explanation and solution. From equation, this will the balanced equation, and balanced equation is telling the ratio of the mass, okay, each of reactant and product we can write like this, and mole ratio of like this. Okay, at STP one more condition is given at STP. So at STP that volume of the hydrogen gas will be equal to 22.4 liter, and if HCl gas volume is taking 0.4 gram, I found this one 2.4 gram of magnesium is equal to 0.1 mole, and 1 m molar concentration 100 ml will be equal to 0.1 mole of HCl. Okay, and this volume we have to find. Okay, so first we have a need to know to check the limiting reactant and reagent. Okay, so these are the two reactants are given. So let me see, for 0.1 mole of magnesium, if magnesium we are taking 0.1 mole, so HCl will require 0.2 mole. That you can check the ratio of this one. If that is 1 mole, that will be double. If that is 1 mole, that will be half. Okay, so this is the ratio. So for 0.1 mole of magnesium, HCl is required 0.2 mole, and that is available. Okay, and similarly for 0.1 mole of HCl, magnesium is required, that is also not available. Okay, so this quantity is available. Available means that will react completely. Okay, so in this, which reactant is completely can react, that is 0.1 mole of HCl. Okay, so according to it, that reacting ratio will be half, that is 0.0 a volume of hydrogen will produce. Okay, if that is 0.1 mole, so that will be with half, that is 0.1 by 2 mole will produce. Okay, and if it is 0.1 mole, so we can find here, hence HCl 100 ml equivalent to 0.1 mole is a limiting reactant. Now production of hydrogen gas will be magnesium plus 2 HCl, magnesium chloride and hydrogen. We are writing this equation again. Okay, so this mole and this mole of HCl is completely reacting, and according to this, that will be half. Okay, and half mole equivalent to 24 into 0.05 gram, that is 1.2 gram of magnesium is reacting in this reaction. Okay, so actual the concentration of magnesium is given 2.4 amount, and subtract this amount that is reacting. So this amount of magnesium is actually do not react or consume in the reaction. Okay, and other side 1.12 liter of hydrogen will produce. So let me see which concentration will be correct. So according to these three conclusions, we can say this one is the correct one. Okay, and HCl is also limiting reagent, we can't say about this. Okay, so this is actually the wrong statement. Magnesium is left behind is given 0.01, but actually that is left behind 1.2 gram. Okay, so hope your answer should be clear. Okay, and this is the wrong, but these statements are correct one. Okay, so according to this question, statement is wrong, that we have answer B option. Okay, so thanks, have a nice day everyone.